Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, cosmetic surgeon, previously at Apollo and Max Group of Hospitals, New Delhi, and presently I am with Fortis CDoc Hospital, Nehru Place, New Delhi, and running my clinic at E34 Greater Kailash 1. Today I will be talking about the breast cosmetic surgery. Now, in breast cosmetic surgery, there are different procedures. Like if you have an underdeveloped breast, then they can be enlarged. If you got a bigger breast, then it can be reduced inside. Or the breast size is normal, but they have sagged because of breastfeeding or other factors. So that can also be corrected. Now, in the breast augmentation, usually the breast have not developed. So now there are two methods. Till now there was only one method, that we used to put implants behind the breast. Now, uh, by putting the implant, silicone implant behind the breast, the whole breast used to protrude anteriorly, and patient used to be very happy. The only side effect was that there was a small cut here, or if I put it from here, initially I used to put a lot of implants through this underarms and then slip down. So then patient may feel shy to wear sleeveless dresses, something like that. Other was at the areolar junction. But now, danger always was that after getting married, if she has not told her husband, then they may come to know. So this procedure was basically useful for the enlightened crowd. That means the girl who has got it done, and she can tell her fiancé that, oh, she has undergone breast surgery and they are educated, modern, so there's no problem. But the other classes which don't want to say this thing. So now the latest thing which has come up is injection fat. We are doing liposuction, we are removing a lot of fat. The same fat is being injected into the breast. They are enlarged, and the breast, because it is from your own body, it stays there for life. So I think that is the beauty of that, and now I'm doing more and more of breast augmentation through injection fat. I think this is one of the best techniques, and now this nowadays we are using fats not only for breast augmentation but even on the face. If there are any depression, we just give injection fat, fill it up, and that's all. Fat stays, and the another advantage of the injecting fat is that it does contain stem cells also. So because of that, the whole surrounding tissues, they also get rejuvenated, sort of things. And if you are putting it on the breast, on the face, nobody notices, nobody knows that anything has been done, because practically it doesn't leave any scar, and we are injecting the fat only through the syringe and injection. So there's no cut, no scars, and results are excellent. More and more people are going for it. Secondary is about the breast reduction. Breast reduction, because of the size is increased. So in that, because the size increased, we have to cut the skin and breast tissue also, because to reduce the size. And this usually this technique causes a lot of scarring. The people give cuts here, T cuts or S cuts, like something like that. But we at our center try to give you practically a scarless technique. When I say scarless, what does it mean? It usually means that we are making a cut at the nipple areolar junction also, because areolar size is round, so we just give a cut only there, and through that we try to remove the whole extra fat and gland. And once we suture it, even her husband may not notice that she has undergone surgery, though we don't claim, because sometimes it might be a little bit visible, but it is much better than all those bigger cuts, scars, because these cuts or scars, which they can never be erased even after 100 operations. Once a cut is always a scar. Once a scar, always a scar, we say, because something has been cut. If you join it, there has to be a line of joining. So it's better be careful about the women, because we do not want, as a cosmetologist, I don't want to give them any scars which are ugly, visible. So I think one has to be very, very careful about giving the scars. Same thing about suspension of the breast. Suspension of the breast can be also done through the superior technique. And if there are any further queries in your mind, you can always contact me through Liberate for chatting, telephone calls, or for booking an appointment at my clinic, which is at E34 Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. Thank you very much.